Hey friends, welcome back to Recipes with Me. Today we're cooking up something hearty, creamy, and absolutely delicious. My big mouth stew. Let's get into it. In a small saucepan, simmer 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables until they're nice and tender. While the veggies cook, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a deep frying pan. Slice 1 pound of kielbasa into rounds, then cut each round into quarters for perfect bite-sized pieces. Add them to the pan and brown them in that butter for amazing flavor. Next, stir in 1 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom or cream of celery soup. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk until it's as creamy as you like. Add your cooked veggies to the creamy sausage mix and stir everything together. This is where Big Mouth Stew gets all its hearty flavor. Serve your Big Mouth Stew hot over fluffy white rice, rich, creamy, and full of comfort. Thanks for watching Recipes with Me. If you enjoyed this Big Mouth Stew recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy meals, and let me know in the comments what I should make next. See you soon!